Hi, my name is Jeff Bezos and this is the 1998 Amazon shareholder letter. It's all about the long term. To our shareholders, customers, and employees, the last 3.5 years have been exciting. We served a cumulative 6.2 million customers, exited 1998 with a $1 billion revenue run rate, launched music, video, and gift stores in the US, opened shop in the UK and Germany, and, just recently, launched Amazon.com auctions. We predict the next 3.5 years will be even more exciting. We are working to build a place where tens of millions of customers can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy online. It is truly day one for the internet, and if we execute our business plan well, it remains day one for Amazon.com. Given what's happened, it may be difficult to conceive, but we think the opportunities and risks ahead of us are even greater than those behind us. We will have to make many conscious and deliberate choices, some of which will be bold and unconventional. Hopefully, some will turn out to be winners. Certainly, some will turn out to be mistakes. A recap of 1998. Heads down focus on customers helped us make substantial progress in 1998. Sales grew from $148 million in 1997 to $610 million, a 313% increase. Cumulative customer accounts grew from 1.5 million at the end of 1997 to 6.2 million at the end of 1998, an increase of over 300%. Despite this strong new customer growth, the percentage of orders placed on the Amazon.com website by repeat customers grew from over 58% in the fourth quarter of 1997 to over 64% in the same period in 1998. Our first major product expansion, the Amazon.com Music Store, became the leading online music retailer in its first full quarter. Following their October launch under the Amazon brand and with Amazon.com technology, the combined fourth quarter sales in the UK and German stores nearly quadrupled over the third quarter, establishing Amazon.co.uk and Amazon.de as the leading online booksellers in their markets. The addition of music was followed by the addition of video and gifts in November, and we became the leading online video retailer in only 6 weeks. 25% of our fourth quarter 1998 sales was derived from Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.de, and music, video, and gift sales on Amazon.com, all very new businesses. We significantly improved the customer experience with innovations like one-click some shopping, gift click, store-wide sales rank, and instant recommendations. 1998's revenue and customer growth and achievement of continued growth in 1999 were and are dependent on expansion of our infrastructure. Some highlights. In 1998, our employee base grew from approximately 600 to over 2,100, and we significantly strengthened our management team. We opened distribution and customer service centers in the UK and Germany, and in early 1999, announced the lease of a highly mechanized distribution center of approximately 323,000 square feet in Fernley, Nevada. This latest addition will more than double our total distribution capacity and allows us to even further improve time to mailbox for customers. Inventories rose from $9 million at the beginning of the year to $30 million by year-end, enabling us to improve product availability for our customers and improve product costs through direct purchasing from manufacturers. Our cash and investment balances, following our May 1998 high-yield debt offering and early 1999 convertible debt offering, now stand at well over $1.5 billion on a pro forma basis, affording us substantial financial strength and strategic flexibility. We're fortunate to benefit from a business model that is cash-favored and capital-efficient. As we do not need to build physical stores or stock those stores with inventory, our centralized distribution model has allowed us to build our business to $1 billion sales rate with just $30 million in inventory and $30 million in net plant and equipment. In 1998, we generated $31 million in operating cash flow, which more than offset net fixed asset additions of $28 million. Our customers, we intend to build the world's most customer-centric company. We hold as axiomatic that customers are perceptive and smart, and that brand image follows reality and not the other way around. Our customers tell us that they choose Amazon.com and tell their friends about us because of the selection, ease of use, low prices, and service that we deliver. But there is no rest for the weary. I constantly remind our employees to be afraid, to wake up every morning terrified. Not of our competition, but of our customers. Our customers have made our business what it is. They are the ones with whom we have a relationship, and they are the ones to whom we owe a great obligation. And we consider them to be loyal to us, right up until the second that someone else offers them a better service. We must be committed to constant improvement, experimentation, and innovation in every initiative. We love to be pioneers. It's in the DNA of the company, and it's a good thing, too, because we'll need that pioneering spirit to succeed. We're proud of the differentiation we've built through constant innovation and relentless focus on customer experience, and we believe our initiatives in 1998 reflect it. Our music, video, UK and German stores, like our US bookstore, are best of breed. Work hard, have fun, make history. It would be impossible to produce results in an environment as dynamic as the internet without extraordinary people. Working to create a little bit of history isn't supposed to be easy, and, well, we're finding that things are as they're supposed to be. We now have a team of 2,100 smart, hard-working, passionate folks who put customers first. Setting the bar high in our approach to hiring has been, and will continue to be, the single most important element of Amazon.com as success. During our hiring meetings, we ask people to consider 3 questions before making a decision. Will you admire this person? If you think about the people you've admired in your life, they are probably people you've been able to learn from or take an example from. For myself, I've always tried hard to work only with people I admire, and I encourage folks here to be just as demanding. Life is definitely too short to do otherwise. Will this person raise the average level of effectiveness of the group they're entering? We want to fight entropy. The bar has to continuously go up. I asked people to visualize the company 5 years from now. At that point, each of us should look around and say, the standards are so high now, boy, I'm glad I got in when I did. Along what dimension might this person be a superstar? Many people have unique skills, interests, and perspectives that enrich the work environment for all of us. It's often something that's not even related to their jobs. One person here is a national spelling bee champion 1978, I believe. I suspect it doesn't help her in her everyday work, but it does make working here more fun if you can occasionally snag her in the hall with a quick challenge, onomatopoeia. Goals for 1999. As we look forward, we believe that the overall e-commerce opportunity is enormous, and 1999 will be an important year. Although Amazon.com has established a strong leadership position, it is certain that competition will even further accelerate. We plan to invest aggressively to build the foundation for a multi-billion-dollar revenue company serving tens of millions of customers with operational excellence and high efficiency. Although this level of forward investment is costly and carries many inherent risks, we believe it will provide the best end-to-end experience for customers and actually offer the least risky long-term value creation approach for investors. The elements of our 1999 plan may not surprise you. Distribution capacity. We intend to build out a significant distribution infrastructure to ensure that we can support all the sales our customers demand, with speedy access to a deep product inventory. Systems capacity. We'll be expanding our systems capacity to support similar growth levels. The systems group has a significant task: expand to meet near-term growth, restructure systems for multi-billion-dollar scale and tens of millions of customers, build out features and systems for new initiatives and new innovations, and increase operational excellence and efficiency. All while keeping a billion-dollar, 8 million customer store up and available on a 24/7 basis. Brand promise. Amazon.com is still a small and young company relative to the major offline retailers, and we must ensure that we build wide, strong customer relationships during this critical period. Expanded product and service offerings. In 1999, we will continue to enhance the scope of our current product and service offerings, as well as add new initiatives. Amazon.com Auctions is our most recent addition. If any of you have not tried this new service, I encourage you to run, not walk, to www.amazon.com and click on the Auctions tab. As an Amazon.com customer, you are pre-registered to both bid and sell. As a seller, you have access to Amazon.com's 8 million experienced online shoppers. Bench strength and processes. We've complicated our business dramatically with new products, services, geographies, acquisitions, and additions to our business model. We intend to invest in teams, processes, communication, and people development practices. Scaling in this way is among the most challenging and difficult elements of our plan. Amazon.com has made a number of strides forward in the past year, but there is still an enormous amount to learn and to do. We remain optimistic, but we also know we must remain vigilant and maintain a sense of urgency. We face many challenges and hurdles, among them, aggressive, capable and well-funded competition, the growth challenges and execution risk associated with our own expansion, and the need for large continuing investments to meet an expanding market opportunity. The most important thing I could say in this letter was said in last year's letter, which detailed our long-term investment approach. Because we have so many new shareholders this year, we're printing more than 200,000 of these letters. Last year, we printed about 13,000. We've appended last year's letter immediately after this year's. I invite you to please read the section entitled "It's All About the Long Term." You might want to read it twice to make sure we're the kind of company you want to be invested in. As it says there, we don't claim it's the right philosophy, we just claim it's ours. All the best and sincere thanks once again to our customers and shareholders and all the folks here who are working passionately every day to build an important and lasting company. Jeffrey P. Bezos, Founder and Chief Executive Officer. Amazon.com, Inc.